Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I want to talk to you about emission codes, aka EVAP codes. I have a little code reader here that we have on our website we sell, and on my 2001 Lexus here I've got the code P0440. It basically means that there's a EVAP leak. It doesn't say large or small, but I'm going to tell you the most common problem, which I'm sure you've heard, is the gas cap. Anything over 50K to 60K, the average gas cap starts to fail. So basically it has an EVAP code, which the federal government has put into effect back in '96, if not a little sooner. Basically they don't want the emissions or the vapors of your gas going into the ozone. So by that we have sensors now on our gas tank, gas caps that are actually vacuum operated and sealed. So around 50 to 60K, you'll start to see the O-ring breaking down. So this rubber seal right here, you can see little notches on it. And here is our filler neck, and that gets rust ring on it sometimes, or built up. So you want to make sure that's smooth. You want to make sure that your seal here is not torn or started to get pitted like this. But then there's also the dreaded spring inside here. This is under pressure to release on certain vacuum and release vacuum from solenoids that are mounted on the gas tank. So this is the most common code for this is P0440, and the most common fix is a gas cap. So if you just go to 1A Auto site, we sell the gas cap, and I'm just going to put that on. Fits good, make sure it clicks. That tells you that the seal is sealed against that filler neck. And I'm going to use our little handy scanner, and I'm going to clear the code and road test it.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.